welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a house construction tour. Go to the front door, and then when you turn right, there's a little first bathroom here. And here, follow me. This is gonna be the kids' playroom. There's a closet, and you can see the front over here. Okay. This is the stairs going up. Malamang, meron namang going down. And this is our kitchen. It has a countertop quartz with the white. Let's see. Open. Okay. So this is where we're gonna put the fridge. Guys, say hi. He's my camera boy today. Show us the garage.
Garage is over here.
The garage is over here. A little messy here.
Yep. There's a lot of boys that's behind the other
There's
room.
the way to the backyard. Yeah, it's backyard. And then this is where we're gonna put the garbage trash.
Yeah, in the shed.
Garbage.
Okay.
The shed for storages.
Okay, let's go to
Let's go back. Alright. This is where our living room. So this is where our couch is gonna be, and there's a television right here. Do you have the tape measure? Okay. And then this is the dining. This is the dining area. And that's going to the California room. It is a California room. So let me show you guys. It won't open. Ta-da! Our yeah, it's just good enough for us. Come on. Yeah, it's still messy. Come on. Alright, come here guys. I'll show you that. Second floor. Come on guys. This is a high ceiling. High ceiling of the house. Right here is another bathroom. Two with a tub. And then
This is my room and
Kian wants this one as his room. There's a
your
closet.
I want Karel to be with me.
Okay. Right here is gonna be the girls' room.
Where Kylie and my room. Here's my room.
Of their own. This one is the laundry area. this is the restroom, the bathroom. There's gonna be a walk-in shower here and two sink. And this is gonna be the toilet and the closet. I can open it completely. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is our closet. This has a nice view of other houses, and I can see my work over here. Actually, call me. I'm just right here. If you need me to work, let's go. All right. So once we move, I'm gonna do another tour. It's a officially house tour, and it's gonna be by January or mid-January or end of January. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.